Imagine launching a campaign without a clear goal. It's like setting sail without a destination. To succeed, define your objectives first. This clarity will guide every decision, ensuring your efforts align with your ultimate vision. Knowing your audience is crucial. Dive deep into market research to uncover who they are and what they need. This insight allows you to tailor your campaign, making it more relevant and impactful and valued. Your ad creatives are the face of your campaign. Craft messages that resonate with your audience's desires and pain points, ensuring they feel understood. They must be visually appealing and engaging. This iterative process helps refine your approach, maximizing engagement and conversion rates. Experiment with different creative variations to discover what captivates your audience. Testing is key. Launch your campaign with a focus on initial testing. Once your campaign is successful, it's time to scale. Implement strategies that expand your reach while maintaining effectiveness. Retargeting techniques can re-engage potential customers, maximizing your campaign's impact. Utilize reporting tools to gain deeper insights into your campaign's performance. These insights help refine your strategy, ensuring continued success. By leveraging data, you can make informed decisions that drive growth and impact.